and it's a knockout. Bitcoin is a winner. It's all green, everyone. Stokage is happening ways, bro. It's fucking like, shoo, 6 footers head high, bro. It's like, oh, stoking. Big time green, baby. We got it all up. It's 8,000. We hit up 8,800 earlier. We're doing a little bit of a pullback, but look at this. It's just beautiful. It's green. It's just amazing. Look at EOS is up 20%. It was probably all this stuff is up a few percentages up. You know what I mean? But look at this. This is insanity. Dash up 22%. Ethereum Classic up. The biggest winner that's going to be on everyone's, radar for now on for sure, which I talked about just the other day, was Bitcoin SV. I was able to get into a little bit of that, and I am going to sell it in a little bit. I think it's going to have a little bit of bounce, and then I'm out. So it's crazy. I'm like super stoked. I don't even know what to say. I think a lot of people are upset because they were definitely looking for a drop, a big drop. Myself included. I was looking for a drop, a bigger drop, so I can have a better re-entry, and didn't happen, didn't come. We just had the CMEs come in, and I heard about some crazy well that was just dropping bombs basically. So we'll talk all about that, but it's an amazing day for everyone that stayed in. Hey, good on you. Winners, winners all around. Winners all around. Woo, let it rain. Okay, fear and greed, y'all. It's like tripping. So FOMO time. FOMO time and time. I have a friend in France. He's FOMOing like crazy, but he's playing a short, so it's all good. What we got here? So we had right here is we had a wedge formation going down and nearing towards this apex. We just like shut up. Look at this sucker, dude. The only thing that I can see is that the volume, it was pretty good, but let me see. Yeah, it was pretty decent, pretty decent volume. Can't hate on that. But right here, as you can see, if you can see, look in my click of my blue, should be popping, and you see this yellow line. This is going to be some serious resistance, y'all. This is the 200 moving average right here. You know what I mean? It's going to be some dankness going on. We could have some rejection. Rejection, pullback. I'll be looking for that. I'll tell you that right now, because I'll be swooping, collecting that BTC, gobbling up like Pac-Man. Let's see what's going down. I think I'm gonna move this back out a little bit and see what the jam is. Here we go. Oh, there we go. So yes, y'all. We're alive, y'all. Pulling it back a bit, and here we go. Yep, there's a 200. So you can see the 200 right here. I'm gonna actually check out this 200, and I'm gonna turn it into the area with breaks, yo. And there you go. So get a better picture. You can look at this wave and see what's happening. Are we drowning in it? Are we drowning in it? Let me move myself out of here real quick. Are we drowning in it, people? This is what you want to look at right here. This is a better view. I'm using the 200-day right here, moving average, and as you can see, the bull market 200 is underneath it. Right here, we're drowning. This is the bear, right? Drowning, and then boom, we broke up that sucker. So this could be it. If we're breaking over this, 9,000, 9,400, 500 mark, we could be like going into a full bull market, yo. But this is what you should definitely use right here. This is a great indicator of like, are we above ground or are we sinking? You know what I mean? So check that out. I like it. Ooh, I hope I didn't X that out, but anyways, if I did, no biggie. And so right here, we're on the weekly right now. I got the fibs popping from the entry of it going up to the toppy top, And as you can see, we broke out of the channel. Everyone's been talking about breaking out of the channel, right? So we broke out of the channel, and as you can see, you know, we still have the 200 moving average right here, you know, which you saw in the prior chart. You know, we need to, you know, as you can see close right there, booyah. And I got this yellow break line right here because there's some major support right here, as you can see in the past. So we'll see if we break that out of there. 9,500, 10,000 for sure. You know, everyone wants that 10K, right? 10K is smooth sailings, brother and sisters. If there's sisters or its, all you its that are out there too. Let's see what's going on right here. Just same old, same old. This is what everyone was thinking, that hey, we're going to taper off and maybe sink back down, you know, past this little value and start crushing back over here to that 5,000 level to buy some more cheese, crypto cheese. Right here, this is my chart that I've always had. Right here, next possible target 9,400. I'm always talking about that. This will be key resistance. 9,000, 9,500, 10K is all the way, right? Right here, I got this other SAR. This is a great indicator right here for any of you people that want to see this this indicator in action. It's called the SAR, and basically you can see when there's going to be a downward trend and this upward trend. And I was seeing this upward trend. Should have knew it to get back in. Right here, I just got this big support right here happening, popping out. Here's Bollinger Bands, the good old Bollinger Bands. You know, we're out of that up in that Bollinger Band. You know, so I think we could have some pullback. So on to Bitcoin news. Booyah! BTC man in the house. Here we go. So back to BTC Bitcoin news. Booyah! Bitcoin price hits 2-month high at 8.7K as the 3 bullish factors converge. Well, as we know, we went to 8.8, right? And we're pulling back. Bitcoin, look at these bulls. Ooh, yeah, Bitcoin. Bitcoin surprised traders and analysts alike on January 14th after BTC broke out of its already bullish channel to strike a resistance levels of near 8,600. This thing just went boom, busted out with the big old boner. BTC climbs 2% in an hour. Data from Coin360 and Cointelegraph markets showed Bitcoin jumped 2% in just over an hour on Tuesday to hit local highs of 8,800. A slight retracement followed, with the pair circling 8,700 at press time amid heightened volatility. Let's look at that. There you go. We're up and up and up, yo. Bitcoin one-day chart, as you can see right there. The latest leg up brings Bitcoin's 24-hour gains to almost 8%, the largest cryptocurrency remaining at levels previously thought to harbor considerable resistance. As Cointelegraph reported on Monday, veteran trader Tone Vays, our homie Tone, Tone Vays kicking some ass, dude. I know where he's making a lot of money. Tone Vays, he's just traveling around the world, creating his own conferences. That's what he's making his money. He's killing it right there. I'm going to be in your conference, Tone Vays. I'm just going to let you know that, because you know what you're missing at your conference? You're missing the BTC man, Bitcoin man right here in the house. Don't worry, I just entered. I'm here to stay. I'm here to take over. Anyways, back to it. So Tone Vays faced a little pushback until an area around 8,800. So he was looking at it to go up to 8,800, and he's stoked. Vays nonetheless added that not all indicators were flashing bullish, with derivatives giant BitMEX's funding rate forming a notably uninspiring exception. Others were slowly turning on their previous more hawkish stance. Regular Cointelegraph contributor FibFlip also began the week on a more buoyant footing. Maybe some chop sideways and a bit of back test, but everything is there to make me overall bullish. Bitcoin SP jumps. Here we go, right here. 75% as altcoins awaken. This is old right here. Okay, so let's move to the next article. Boom, Bitcoin needs to overcome these 3 levels to get to 10K. What is this? The rundown. Bitcoin stop just under 8,700 resistance. Currently rally looks strong. Best January since 2012. Bitcoin prices are on another expansion spree, bringing the price to a new range. But if the leading asset is to regain 5-digit prices, it needs to break above a few more vital resistant levels. Bitcoin stopped just under 8,700 resistance. The price move this Tuesday brought BTC up from a recent, let me close, get this smaller, a recent stagnation around 8,100 to just below 8,700, which represents the first of the key resistant levels. Until that level, all other milestones were taken over quickly as bear shorts got liquidated. This particular price point has historically held down Bitcoin price on 3 separate occasions, with each bearish correction shortly followed by a strong surge. Boom, he's looking at right here, look at that. That's right, that is some major resistance right there. Bitcoin remains relatively range bound with prices hovering constantly to attack resistant levels. BTC stalled at around 8,792, retreating and attempting to break the 8,700 resistance soon after that. Bitcoin prices broke above that range at 8,718, possibly pointing to a bigger breakout rally or a retreat below the resistant level. So back to, is it going to go up or down? The other 2 resistant levels appear to be around 9,350, as you can see, and 9,940, which I just talked about, right? So 9,950. Then we got that 10,000 support, the 10,000, good old 10K. Both of these are also levels which have had strong effects on Bitcoin price over the last 9 months. Current rally looks strong. Bitcoin manages to break to new highs relatively fast, and new resistant levels are seen coming relatively soon. This year, BTC established lows around 7,000 in December before reviving in fine style over the new year. Yes, it did. Here we got a little tweet from Mad Miner. We got the breakout everyone was predicting. BTC decided to play nice. Most are calling 9,200 the next resistance, but I think we'll touch 9,400, then pull back to retest last support, then move to the next high. See, this guy's like, he's thinking just like me. I'm BTC man, of course. The 9,400 level is quickly becoming a highly anticipated area for the BTC traders should bulls successfully close through the current 8,700 ceiling. Like, booyah! Like I have, where's my line? Right here. Here's my line right here. Oh, what is that? Hey guys, 9,400 area. I've been talking about this. I've been talking this for a long time. Okay, so let's get to this, back to that story. I hope I got the right one right here. No, I don't. Okay. Anyways, here we go. 9,400, right? So the price level was an extremely buoyant support between July and September last year and propped up BTC price after 3 heavy down swings. Breaking above this level would reestablish a solid support for Bitcoin as bulls eyes down the fabled 10K target. Look at that. Boom. You know what I mean? We're just like all on the same wavelength, you know? We're just like a mono. I know what you're talking about. You know what I'm talking about, okay? From there, the final hurdle before 5 figures is likely to be around the 9,900 level. Looking at the chart above, we can see that this level also played a key role in supporting Bitcoin during Q3 2019. Perhaps more importantly, this level also acted as a strong resistance during BTC's attempt to retrace back above 10,000 during the November rally. Any money trapped at this level is likely to offload onto the market if this level is achieved again. You bet your buns it is. Best January since 2019 at prices around 8,700. Trader excitement and bot activity may be the chief drivers of price action. Oh, you know, I talked about bots just yesterday, right? In my last video. All I see is bots. All I see is bots. The new price moves may happen slower or faster than expected as the interplay of spot and futures markets discover the new prices for BTC in 2020. For now, Bitcoin staves off bear scenarios, but volatility is not out of the question. In mid-January, BTC is now breaking previous January trends of a price slide and rallying back to levels not seen in the past 3 months. What do you think about Bitcoin price expansion this January? Oh, well, I thought you're in it. You're super stoked. Okay, in some other news that will just make your eyes pop out of your ears. No. Anyway, CME. So yeah, this is CME's options. See, first day of volume. So that is a huge catalyst of why Bitcoin just jumped up. Hey, it's betting time, baby. Contracts. Okay, course. Akbar Kabul, he's speaking. Dude, here we go. Okay. Options on Bitcoin futures from Chicago Mercantile Exchange CME got off to a good start on Monday, seeing trading volume reach 55 contracts in the opening session. That amounts to a notional volume of about 2.3 million or 275 Bitcoin, which each contract were 5 BTC also. Only call options traded on the first day as noted by Skew.com, provider of data analytics for Bitcoin and Ether derivatives. So yeah, check all that out. You know, if, you know, I'll have all of these links in the descriptions if you'd like to read that all. But I just want to go over that because it's CME's. Next, Linked says blockchain is top skill for 2020. As I just did a news report yesterday talking about this, LinkedIn is saying that blockchain developers, blockchain coders, blockchain everything is going to be the top skill for the next century, 21st century, y'all. And you can read all that if you like to. Maybe I'll just read the top right here. I'll do that for you guys. Blockchain is listed as the #1 hard skill for 2020 in a new report compiled by job site LinkedIn. So if you guys are looking for a change, maybe you should get into the blockchain, right? I'll read a little bit. Last year, cloud computing, artificial intelligence, and analytical reasoning led LinkedIn's global list of the most in-demand hard skills. Boom! They're all on the list again this year, but a skill we weren't even looking at a year ago, blockchain, tops the list of the most in-demand hard skills for 2020. After analyzing the profiles of the users who are getting hired at the highest rates, LinkedIn researchers found blockchain to be the most in-demand skill. So the top ranking might actually be a result of the higher wages employers are ready to pay people who can ostensibly do the blockchain. So yeah, this is top notch, like adoption. This is, they're building the infrastructure, everyone. Blockchain has emerged from the once shadowy world of cryptocurrency to become a business solution in search of problems, which means that you don't have to be financial services to be seeking new hires who have background and expertise in putting blockchain to use. While there are different views on what benefits distributed ledgers can bring, in reality, the business world is voting with its jobs. The report says, mentioning the business giants that have already caught the virus: IBM, boom, IBM, Oracle, JP Morgan Chase, Microsoft, Amazon, and American Express. You can't beat that, people. The companies that value blockchain related skills most are in the United States, the United Kingdom, France, Germany, and Australia. Even though the technology was absent from LinkedIn's 2019 rankings, blockchain developers topped the site's emerging list in 2018. That's it, man. That's it, blockchain, baby. I'm all about the bees, Bitcoin, blockchain, and bitches. So, hey guys, I mean, I'm super stoked. I'm just like, whoa! I'm in euphoria right now, so I hope you guys are too. Thank you for, you know, supporting my channel and supporting me by, you know, the views that I've been getting. You know, I really appreciate you guys, everyone that's watching this, everyone in the beginning, because I know, you know, I'm going to be blowing up. Let's just be real here, okay? Let's just be real here, okay? So, thank you so much, everyone. You have a great, amazing day, and I will see you guys. BTC man, Bitcoin man out. Later.